My name is Markus Wiese. I'm here from Leipzig. My job here at the WorldSkills in Leipzig 2013 is being a supervisor, workshop supervisor here at Skill 40, graphic and design technology. Yeah, there has been a very long period of preparation for that skill. First of all, put together a list of everything which is needed here at the skill, but also bring together a timeline, how to set it up, find people who help. Also work closely with all the experts from all the nations, see what the task is going to be for the competitors and make sure that the equipment is fitting the task.
My name is Matthew Fitzgerald. I'm from a town in Nuneaton in the UK. My job here is WorldSkills Workshop Supervisor Assistant. I have to set up all the computers, program all the software in and oversee all the runnings of the Macs and make sure everything is fine and there's no issues. Also helped out in WorldSkills London. I had a very similar role where I was an assistant on the graphic design skill, where I did a similar role of overseeing the Macs and just helping out in general with any questions, any support that they needed with any software issues.
The biggest problem so far was getting tables to put the computers on. So we have been waiting for tables now for at least 3 days, and the noise you're hearing right now outside this office is the company putting the tables together. Unfortunately, they came in here way too big, so we had to work around it and set them up that they still fit. And now we are actually back on track, and I think we can still get everything done by time.
I thought one of the biggest challenges was going to be setting up the computers and making sure the software, because we have 40 Macs and we have to put all the software on. It's quite a lot to do and it takes a very long time. But in fact that's going really smoothly, and one of the most challenges we've had is getting the equipment here. So the logistics side of things and all the shipping, that's probably been our biggest challenge, which was a bit unexpected, but we have resolved all the issues now and we sort of know what we've got to do. I mean, I was a past competitor myself a few years ago in graphic design, and one of the big challenges is definitely being nervous and having the crowds watch you and knowing they're watching you, and also a big one is time management, making sure that you get the work done not only to a very high standard, but you have to finish on time. Because if you don't finish on time, all that work could be for nothing. You'll lose a lot of marks, and so I think that'll be a challenge. The stress of the competition will certainly be. It'll be a lot of pressure for them. So they should have all trained for that. So it'll be interesting to see how they cope.
One thing I'm most concerned of is that we're going to have a technical problem, of course, because we want to have an equal situation to every competitor, and if like a computer breaks down, then he would have some less time than the others. We try to avoid this by having a few extra computers, so you can just switch a seat. That could happen, and well, anything else we actually pretty much prepared. I think we are just set up very well and prepared for almost everything.